Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Quincy from Champion Honda BMW Ducati, back with another walk around video. So, we're excited about this one. Brand new 2021 Ducati Monster 937 Plus. When BMW came out with their F900R back in 2020, they had two bikes in mind. The Ducati Monster 821 and the Yamaha MT-09. Now, Ducati's answered back with their all-new, from the ground up, Monster 937. This video, you're going to see the 937 Plus, which has a couple of extras, which you'll see in the video coming up. It's going to be a walk-around head-to-head against the F900R, a 2021 model, and the Ducati 937 Plus Monster 2021 model. So let's check it out.